If you want to add GIFs to Elementor in WordPress, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple step-by-step process to upload an animated GIF, make sure it actually plays, and then style it properly so it looks great on your page. This is a super useful trick if you want to make your website more engaging, highlight a product, add movement to a section, or just make your design stand out a little more. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your page in Elementor and go to the left-hand panel. Click the grid icon so you can see all of your available widgets. From here, drag the Image Widget into the container or section where you want the GIF to appear. This is the widget we'll use because Elementor treats GIFs like images, so the image element is the easiest and cleanest way to add one. Once the image widget is placed on your canvas, go to the General tab in the left-hand panel. In the Content section, you'll see the image placeholder. Click that placeholder to open your WordPress media library. Now upload your GIF file from your computer. Make sure the file format is actually .gif, then click Select to insert it into your page. At this point, you might expect the animation to start right away, but there's one very important step that people often miss. If your GIF is not moving, it is usually because the image size is set too small, and WordPress is showing a static, resized preview instead of the original animated file. To fix that, stay in the General tab and look for the Image Size dropdown. This is the resolution setting, and it matters a lot. Change the image size to full. Using full tells WordPress to load the original GIF file rather than a smaller generated version, and that is usually what restores the animation. So if your GIF looks frozen, this is the first thing you should check. Now that the GIF is uploading correctly, you can style it to fit your design. Switch over to the Style tab in Elementor. Inside the Style panel, open the Size menu. Here, you can use the width and max width options to control how large the GIF appears inside your container. If you want it to feel more balanced on the page, adjust the sizing until it looks right for your layout. You can also explore other style options depending on your design. For example, if you want the GIF to stand out more, you can add a shadow. Or if you want to make it blend in a little better, you can adjust opacity and other visual effects in the border or effect settings. These small touches can really improve how professional the final section looks. Once you're happy with the animation and styling, take a final look at your canvas and make sure the GIF is looping correctly and displaying the way you want it to. Then move to the top right corner and click Publish to make your changes live on the website. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a GIF to Elementor in WordPress, fix the most common issue if it doesn't animate, and style it so it fits your page perfectly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.